Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Shut down.
So hello guys, and now we are back on the road. We just came to the Kainchi Dham temple and we visited the temple. There was not a lot of rush, so we could see all the details and see the complete of the place. A bit had been shut down. I think that was due to the COVID protocol. And now we are going to Nainital. So guys, now we are entering the area of Nainital. The Nainital cantonment area just passed by us, and we are approaching Mall Road now, which is usually the main attraction, and most of the economical and the commercial area is on the Mall Road, which is just 90 meters away, which you can see now. And you will be able to see the lake in a few seconds. So this is the Nainital lake. You can see people boating there, and we are on the Mall Road right now, searching for Domino's. So guys, this is the Mall Road. It has been pretty much developed a lot in the past decade, and you can see a lot of people boating. I don't know if you might be able to see because the GoPro is on a wide angle right now. I might just fly my drone, but right now there's no fun of flying the drone because it's too hazy and the drone is not able to capture a lot. I don't know what people think while stopping on a one-lane road. No idea. You might be able to see the haze now as sun is just above us. You can't see the mountains clearly. I don't know what is the reason for it, but whatever it is, it needs to go very soon because I can't fly my drone right now. So guys, now we are back on the road. Had my first meal of the day, my lunch, at a very healthy place called Domino's, and now heading back towards Bhimtal because we need to reach before my college classes start. It's all hazy. You will see that in the drone shots, or you might have seen that in the drone shots if I would have edited them earlier. So it's all hazy, and I'll try to dehaze it as much as I could, as much as Premiere Pro allows, and you will see the final result. We are also hotel hunting, so we are currently staying at a place called the Fern Residency, which is an absolutely amazing resort, and the food is good, the staff is good, everything's good, but the only issue is the way to get there. Yesterday the Tiger had a little crash. I'll show you the effect on the pannier that has been left and my upper dresser. As in my previous video, I talked about the safety equipment being the upper dresser. You will see very soon how it actually supported my bike and didn't let any damage get to the tank. So the bike itself is brand new. The guard can be fixed up in 2 seconds. I'll most probably fix up a reflector tape on that and it will be ready to go. Pannier has a minor damage on the outskirts. It is minor damage, but on the inner side where you mount the pannier to the bike, there's a little bending. But I'm really happy I chose hard cases rather than the soft ones, because that is what actually protected my bike from all the damage. And now let's see what happens further. Now we are on our way to Bhimtal. Good morning and welcome back to my channel, guys. So yesterday I showed you a few glimpses of Nainital Lake and the Bhimtal Lake. Today I'll just calibrate the exposure. Today there's a lot less of fog, a lot less of haze. Whatever it was, today there's none. So I aim to fly my drone a bit more. And yesterday, as I was telling you, the Tiger had a crash, and I'll just show you what happened to the pannier. So this is the outer side of the pannier. So this goes towards the front side. This is not the back end, that's the back end. So here's this, a few scratches here, and this particular edge is also scratched off, chipped off, and a dent here. Just focus, yes. So a dent here, and these are just minor things. Those things don't really matter, but the main thing what happened was, so here is the mounting side, and I'll just wait for it to focus. Yes, so here is the mounting side, and it has been bent. If you can see, this is the bend here. So here the mount goes and it has been bent. So that is the only issue, and we aim to get it fixed very soon. So guys, as yesterday I was just praising about this property. This is the Fern Residency, and so I hope you could hear a few birds chirping and all the trees, all the leaves moving and making such amazing, like, soothing sounds. And the stay till now has been very, very good. The food is really great. The staff is very helping. Today we are going to Sattal, which is nearby. We are in Bhimtal right now, so this place is in Bhimtal. The road is a bit less approachable as it's not completely paved. Some parts are paved, some parts are not, but completely I think it is worth it. If you're coming on bikes, make sure you are well versed with your bike and you can handle it. So yes, and let's go to Sattal.